Cooking at home is more than a necessity. It's an art, and every artist needs the right tools. This All-Clad Black Nonstick 12-inch skillet set of 3 is designed to be the ultimate companion for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts. Offering durability, versatility, and ease of use, this skillet set ensures you can handle everything from simple scrambled eggs to gourmet sautéed dishes. In this review, we'll explore why the All-Clad skillet set stands out in the crowded world of cookware, focusing on its design, performance, and value for money. Why choose All-Clad Black Nonstick skillets? 1. Durable construction. Made from premium 1810 stainless steel, this skillet set is built to last. The sturdy construction ensures resistance to warping, even with daily use at high temperatures. Whether you're searing meats or preparing delicate sauces, these skillets deliver consistent performance. 2. Advanced nonstick coating. The nonstick surface sets these skillets apart, offering several benefits. Effortless food release, perfect for sticky foods like eggs and pancakes. Healthier cooking. Use less oil or butter without compromising on flavor. Easy cleanup. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. This nonstick coating is also designed to resist wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. 3. Multi-purpose functionality. The set includes 3 skillets. 8-inch skillet, 834, ideal for small portions or quick tasks like toasting nuts. 10-inch skillet, 1034, perfect for frying or sautéing vegetables. 12-inch skillet, 1234, excellent for larger dishes such as family-sized stir-fries or steaks. From breakfast to dinner, these skillets offer the flexibility to handle a variety of recipes. 4. High heat resistance. These skillets are designed to withstand high temperatures, making them suitable for searing. Achieve the perfect crust on meats. Sautéing. Retain the natural flavors of vegetables. Oven cooking. The skillets are oven-safe, allowing for seamless stovetop-to-oven transitions. Key benefits of the All-Clad skillet set. Enhanced cooking performance. All-Clad skillets are engineered for even heat distribution, ensuring no hot spots. This feature is essential for cooking delicate items like fish or sauces that require consistent heat. Aesthetic appeal. With their sleek black finish, these skillets add a modern touch to any kitchen. Whether you're showcasing them on your stovetop or serving directly from the pan, they're as visually appealing as they are functional. Convenience in the kitchen. The nonstick coating not only simplifies cooking but also makes cleanup incredibly easy. Plus, the set's varying sizes mean you'll always have the right pan for the job, reducing the need for additional cookware. Who is this skillet set for? The All-Clad Black Nonstick 12-inch skillet set of 3 is perfect for beginner cooks. The nonstick surface makes it easier to prepare meals without the frustration of sticking. Health-conscious individuals cook with minimal oil while still achieving delicious results. Busy households, durable and easy to clean, these skillets save time and effort. Home chefs, the set's versatility supports a wide range of cooking techniques. Why invest in the All-Clad Black Nonstick skillets? Investing in high-quality cookware saves time, effort, and frustration in the kitchen. The All-Clad Black Nonstick 12-inch skillet set of 3 offers unparalleled durability and performance, making it a smart choice for anyone serious about cooking. Its combination of advanced features, health benefits, and aesthetic appeal makes it a top contender for best cookware sets on the market. Final thoughts. This All-Clad Black Nonstick skillet set of 3 is an excellent investment for your kitchen. Its durable construction, advanced nonstick technology, and stylish design ensure it delivers on all fronts: performance, convenience, and aesthetics. Whether you're cooking for one or preparing a feast for your family, this skillet set offers the versatility and reliability you need. Upgrade your kitchen today and experience the joy of hassle-free cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.